welcome back to Generation X.
I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with the Glossybox. It's a Sunday, and I'm surprised they delivered on a Sunday, but
is it gonna be pink like usual, or is it gonna be a different color? We shall see.
Peach, maybe. I
and
don't
this
know.
box, I think, is around $23, but if I'm wrong,
it's kind of like a
we can.
pink or
It's always
peach.
their
I don't
usual.
know.
It's
That's
like
the
usual,
color.
It's like their usual pinkish. And actually, it kind of
Lively,
like matches
do it.
our nails. Kim's got darker pink and I got white.
Love what you do it in. We're Lively. Score $10 off your order. Meet your comfy new uniform. There you go. That's a little thing that came inside. Okay, I'd say it's kind of a pink.
It's a regular pink.
But my nails are like pinker
That's what I was
than
saying.
this
Like,
pink. Yeah.
mine's a light, hers is dark. It's somewhere in the middle.
Yeah. So there. Okay.
Have you guys joined our giveaway yet? That is the question.
And when you open it, it looks like that. I'm still shocked it came today, even though I probably knew it was coming today. It says World of Beauty.
I like the wrapping
and
stuff.
well, that's probably what's coming on the inside. That's what the back looks like. I'll give it to my sister and she can look at what she wants to say about
I like how it's
it.
wrapped in like,
And
that's
it's cute.
really
It looks like Paris or like,
the world.
gosh, maybe the whole world. Yeah.
It's nice.
Maybe it's because of this COVID time that
It
we're trying to
says,
get over.
This month we're taking on a virtual tour around the world with a beauty box full of international brands and inspiration from cultures across the globe. In a time when we have to be physically apart, sharing our favorite skincare and makeup tips and stories can bring us together. Everyone deserves to feel beautiful, and now is the perfect time to experiment with your routine, find new favorites, and indulge in some well-deserved self-care.
Okay, so the first two things I'm going to start out with is High. I'm guessing that's the brand. There's High Five and High Expectations. There's Cannabis Facial Moisturizer and Facial Oil.
At least
So, yeah, they're little two samples.
It says, made in the USA, Melissa Dokim, if I'm saying that right, found benefits in cannabis sativa that have truly remarkable results in your skin, and these little numbers are no exception. Hydrating and giving intensive repair, the moisturizer and oil combo is perfect for even the most sensitive skin. And it retails $40 or $54 depending on if it's a moisturizer or a facial oil for the full size.
That is great. Okay, and then the second thing is Model Co. Liquid Metal Eyeshadow. I do not like cream eyeshadows, so...
and it says, from Australia, this velvety eyeshadow delivers colors in a single swipe and dries almost instantly to lock in a weightless shine. It's normally $19.
That will probably go in a giveaway.
And that is a full-size one.
And then Core's, if I'm saying that right, is Nourishing Probiotic Gel Cream.
It says Greek yogurt, nourishing probiotic gel cream.
Oh, Greek
yogurt. It says rich in collagen building protein. This Greek moisturizer is perfect for reducing redness and adding a plump balance to your skin that lasts all day. It's clinically proven, microbiome, if I'm saying that right, friendly technology won't disrupt your skin's natural barrier, giving you the ultimate healthy glow. I like that it's for redness, but as I said, nothing makes my red go away other than hiding it with makeup. So,
I feel like I've already got 4 items, but I feel like I had 3 more items.
You have 5, and then you have a treat, extra treat.
Okay, so Rhodial Vitamin C, oh, it says Vite C, Energizing Face Mask, Brighten and Renew.
It says, say hello to brighter looking skin with this instantly rejuvenating, retexturizing, and illuminating mask from one of the top skincare brands in the UK, packed with vitamin C, vitamin B3, amino acids, and hyaluronic acid. Consider this a tremendous boost to your routine. Retails for $18.
And then I have Peach Punch Cleansing Tissue by Tony Moly, which my daughter was asking me today, like, do you have any cleansing wipes or whatnot? And I was like, well, no. But then there was actually some on my counter that I had that have never been opened, so I told her she could have them. So that's good that I get these because my family uses them, even though I do not.
This is an indispensable addition to any skincare routine. These tissues from Korea provide an effective but gentle cleanse. Infused with 100 ppm peach extract, they help remove impurities while brightening and hydrating skin.
And the last thing is Decortor. How do you say Decortorte?
Decorte.
Lips Liposum. I don't know. Moisture Liposum. I don't know. Hydration boosting serum. So
yeah, and it says infuse skin with an all-day hydration to help repair and protect. Decorte's Liposome or serum is engineered to time release layer by layer. It's biometric. I can't even say it, lipids continuously hydrate skin from within, promoting powerful renewal while minimizing the appearance of fine lines.
Made in Japan.
And it retails for $25.50 or $50 for the full size 20 milliliters. Hope I said the price for everything.
Yeah, so good things
nice
to
box.
try.
More for the giveaway if she doesn't use like the eyeshadow or something. But if this video was fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways like the one we're doing right now that I mentioned earlier, and we will put that link down below, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.